So how much money is in the cleaning business? What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons with the Clean Biz Network channel. I want to talk about how much money is in the cleaning industry, alright? So a lot of people have asked me, well, how much money can you really make with the cleaning industry? And the truth is it's $1 trillion industry, okay? It's $1 billion, it's unlimited. The potential for making money in this industry is unlimited. It's all about how big can you grow it, okay? Everybody needs cleaning services, okay? And then eventually you can expand into maintenance services and so on, all right? I've even seen people expand into security services, whatever it takes, but the potential for growth is unlimited in this industry, okay? Now, here's the thing. I know a lot of you have gotten into cleaning franchises, and this is what you need to understand. If you're with a cleaning franchise, you're definitely going to net less, okay? So when you're with a cleaning franchise, you're going to start off rolling. You're going to grow faster, probably, but you're going to take home less. Why? Because the franchise is taking on half of your profits, okay? Because usually around in this industry, your take home net pay after everything is all done, your employees, your equipment, all of the overhead is done, right? You can look at around about 30 to 35% profit, okay? Some people are able to pull off more than that, but in my experience, if you have a mixture of small and large accounts, if you're doing steady business, you're going to see around about 35% profit, okay? And so you got to understand, if the franchise company is taking 20% from you, then guess what you left with? 15% profit, okay? Now, it's obviously, because I got mine up. Sometimes I'm up around 30%, and sometimes I'm lower, closer to 15, okay? But the point is, you're going to take home less, okay? Because they're taking, like, the profit, the money that they're taking from you is part of the profit that you would have been taking had you gone independent. Now, of course, some of that would have went towards advertisement anyway. If you start paying for ads as you grow, you're going to pay for ads, okay? So a lot of that money that you're paying to the franchise would eventually go to your advertising. But again, you still definitely have way more room to take home if you weren't with a franchise, okay? So, but you need to understand that. I mean, I got people in the Clean Biz Network. I just got off the phone with a young lady named Shauna. She said she was doing 68 grand. She did 68 grand the last month, okay? And so, again, that's 1 month, 68 grand, and she did it. She's with a franchise. I got another guy in the group who's with a franchise. He showed a statement where he did 90 in 1 month, okay? 90 grand. Then I got another guy in the group. He showed a statement where he did 30 grand in 1 month, okay? Then you all know CJ, who's independent. He did 60 in a month, and he's grown since then, okay? So the money is there. You know what I mean? I've been told y'all that I grew to 6 figures very quickly within 6 months. Actually, I did it in 9 months. I was at 6 figures personal income in 6 months, okay? But I actually got my business up to the 6-figure mark per year within my first 9 months of the business, okay? But again, I started with the franchise and I started branching out. Okay, so if you really want to take home the most, then you need to start independent. So for those who are on the fence wondering, well, should I get into the cleaning company? Should I get into the cleaning industry? Is there really money in it? Absolutely. It's just that, can you stick through and fight through all of the growing pains that come along with it? Are you really committed to growing an actual cleaning company, or are you going to treat it like just a hustle or a come up? Okay, so that's up to you. But it can be as big as you want it to be. It can make you as much as you want it to make you, okay? But the key is, you just got to put whatever you put in is what you're going to get out, okay? And then understand that if you go the franchise route, then you're going to make less. That's why you see me now telling the people a lot more, look, try to go independent. And I've went out of my way to create products so that way it'll be easier for you to go independent. I have the Cleaning Business Starter Kit available on cleanbiznetwork.com. Comes with all of the equipment, okay? From backpack vacuum to microfiber rags, the cleaning chemicals that you need, everything, okay? Everything you need, plus the proposal forms, the bidding calculator so you know how to bid, everything. And I include 6 months free coaching and the Clean Biz Network, okay? So, and we got over 80 members in the group right now. We're growing. So if you were to buy our total package starter kit, then you'll get all of that in addition to help you go independent, okay? Because I want you to be able to keep as much of your money as possible, okay? Now, if you decide, all right, well, that's fine, that's cool, but I don't want to pay for your total package starter kit, but I do want to be in your Clean Biz network because I'm a franchise owner, so I don't really need everything you have. I just want to, be able to ask people questions if I need to ask. I just want to be able to get coached by AJ Simmons. If that's all you want, just join the Clean Biz network right now. Still only $25 a month. You can get in whenever you're ready. Just go to cleanbiznetwork.com and you can join the Clean Biz network, okay? Because we got a lot of franchise owners in there as well who capitalize off of the information that I provide. Because again, even if you're with a cleaning franchise, you definitely want this information because it's going to teach you how to bid, most importantly. And once you learn how to bid and sell, once you can do that, the franchise company won't cost you so much because you don't have to pay those finder's fees because you can find your own accounts, okay? So another thing that I try to really do is for the people who already have bought into the cleaning franchise like I did, then I can teach you how to maximize your profits, okay? That's the key. So it's like if you already did it, we'll maximize your profits. If you haven't bought into a cleaning franchise yet, then let me try to guide you so that way you can go independent and keep as much profits as possible, okay? But the bottom line is I want you to eat, right? Y'all know me from my Everybody Eats channel. I want everybody to eat, okay? That's why I founded the Clean Biz Network. I'm trying to get us to grow. Let's build this wealth. Let's keep getting it. Thank y'all for watching. AJ Simmons on the Clean Biz Network. Talk to y'all soon. Check out the website.